Here at equipment deals, you got a 1972 to 76 Schramm. We're gonna show it starting up and operating here. Got a Detroit diesel, 2-stroke. Got a 300 CFM compressor back to it, which runs this hammer. Back, ready to break some rock. Has a full extendable backhoe. We would run the machine, but we have one little hose that's leaking back here. But besides that, everything else works. One little leak on this hose here. These outriggers work well. Compressor works well. Good little machine. Again, this is a 1972 to 1976 Schramm with a 300 CFM compressor, Schramm compressor, built to run something with air. And we'll be selling this through retail and auction through equipment deals. Give us a call if you're interested at 972-666-9501 local, or our toll free at 1-855-EQ Deals.